Imagine waking up every day with laser-sharp focus, unshakable motivation, and a mind free from distractions. What if I told you that the key to unlocking this version of yourself lies in a single challenge, the dopamine detox? This isn't just about cutting out bad habits. It's about reclaiming your time, your energy, and your future. Are you ready to reset your brain and unlock your full potential? Step 1. Set clear goals. Start by defining what success looks like for you. What do you want to achieve? What kind of person do you want to become? Write down your goals, whether it's mastering a new skill, building a business, or simply regaining control of your time. Clarity is power. When you know where you're going, every step you take becomes intentional and meaningful. Step 2. Identify and eliminate distractions. Take a hard look at your daily habits. Social media, binge watching, and mindless scrolling are stealing your focus and draining your energy. These distractions are designed to hijack your brain's reward system, leaving you craving more while achieving less. Cut them out, even if just for a day. Replace them with activities that nourish your mind and soul. Your brain will thank you, and you'll feel a renewed sense of control. Step 3. Build new positive habits. Now that you've cleared the clutter, it's time to build habits that fuel your growth. Meditate to calm your mind. Read to expand your knowledge. Exercise to strengthen your body, or spend time in nature to recharge your spirit. Small, consistent actions create massive change over time. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Every positive habit you build is a brick in the foundation of your success. Step 4. Embrace discomfort. Let's be real. This won't always be easy. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. When cravings for distractions hit, stay strong. When boredom creeps in, sit with it. Every moment of resistance is a step toward reclaiming your focus and willpower. Discomfort is temporary, but the strength you gain from pushing through it lasts forever. You're stronger than you think, and every challenge you overcome proves it. Step 5. Celebrate small wins. Every victory counts. Did you resist checking your phone for an hour? Celebrate. Did you complete a task without procrastinating? Celebrate. These small wins build momentum and reinforce your new habits. They remind you that you're capable of change and that every step forward matters. Don't wait for the big milestones. Celebrate the journey, because that's where the magic happens. Step 6. Reflect and adjust. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect. What went well? What could you improve? Self-awareness is your greatest tool for growth. If you stumble, don't beat yourself up. Learn from it. Adjust your approach and keep moving forward. This challenge isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming better than you were yesterday. Your journey to a sharper, more focused mind starts today. The Dopamine Detox Challenge isn't just a test of willpower. It's a transformation of your mindset, your habits, and your life. Are you ready to take control of your time, your energy, and your future? The power to change is in your hands. Start now. Reset your brain, reclaim your focus, and watch as your life transforms, one intentional step at a time. Let's begin.